Hi everyone, Kate here. Just going to show you a couple of simple salon designs, really good ones to use in the salon. So first of all, I'll be using Glam and Glitz Almost Nude and Passion Candy, and also the Nail Team's Angel Paper in Spearmint. It's a gorgeous colour. So what you want to make sure you do when you are starting your design, you want to make sure that you've got all your products to hand. You don't want to find that you're halfway through and the acrylic's on the nail and it's setting and you haven't got your bits out your drawers. So you need to make sure it's all there on your desk in front of you, ready to use straight away. So I've just chopped a piece of the angel paper up, and now I'm just going to cut out some triangle shapes, quite long ones, because I want to make sure that it covers the whole entire tip. Obviously you can cut out different shapes, you can crunch it up, you can put it in as a whole piece, and you don't have to cut shapes out. This is just an example. Just keeping them on the tin foil, as you can see in a minute, so they will be to hand when I'm ready to use them. Again, this is a really quick, simple design. Shouldn't take you too long. Okay, and there you go. Pop that to one side. So first of all, I'm going to pick up a bead of my almost pink. Almost nude, sorry, I don't know why I said pink. Apply it to the cuticle area, seal it in, and blend it towards the free edge. And then I'm going into my Passion Candy and just doing exactly the same from the other direction, just making sure that glitter twinkles right up. With my wet brush, I will pick up my angel paper, or at least attempt to try and pick it up. As you can see, it can be a little bit fiddly. And then just tap it into that wet acrylic, making sure you're pressing it in. There we go, got it. As you can see, it's almost like glass. It's amazing, I love it. Once you're happy with that and you've tapped it all in place, it's now setting. Don't worry if you've got some little bits sticking out, they will just file off at the end. I'm going into my NSI Radiant Pink, and I'm going to apply a nice bead towards the cuticle area, angling that finger down if it was a finger, making sure it's sealed around that area, and then with the belly of my brush I'm just pulling it down towards the free edge and making sure that I've got all of that angel paper covered. So you'll see when it turns matte that it's all encapsulated in there. We'll leave that onto one side to dry and we'll go on to the next design. And I'll be using Passion Candy again, and also Karen, which is a gorgeous yellow. So first of all, I'm going to go into my Karen, and just a nice, oh, we've got some disco rings as well. These are from the Nail Team and they're called Vinto. First of all, I'm going to go into my Karen and apply a wet bead and just tap it around that cuticle area nice and thin and blend it down. Then I'm going to go into Passion Candy and just tap it up and blend it back onto itself. And with my wet brush, I am just picking up my Vinto disco rings, placing them where I think I need them to be. And once I'm happy with where they are, I'm just going to leave them to set for a few seconds, just so when I apply my encapsulated bead of acrylic, they don't move all over the place. So I'm going into my crystal clear NSI powder now, placing that bead at the cuticle area again and just sealing it round. And with the belly of my brush, I'm just going to press that bead and pull it back down right over them disco rings and make sure it's all nice and flat. Obviously, doing this on a client, you would need to check for apex, but we don't need to worry too much on a display. So I'm just making sure that all of them rings are covered, because what you don't want to find out is that you haven't used enough acrylic, and when you start filing, you're going to file right through and you'll file the colour off the disco rings. So we'll leave that one to set. These are both filed now, and now I'm going to use my Halo non-wipe top coat and pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then you can see the image. I hope you've enjoyed watching these today. Hopefully I will get some more videos up this week as well. Please give us a little like and share if you can, please. Thank you. And there's the angel paper one. It's amazing. It's like glass. Pop that into the lamp. And there they are. Thanks for watching.